In this video, I'll show you how to use conditional logic to send specific emails in a funnel to people with certain tags. In other words, if they have this tag, send this email. If they don't have this tag, send this other email, and so on and so forth. So let's get started in the Groundhogg funnel builder, and the first thing we're going to do is create the tags. So I like to give people certain profile tags based on specific scenarios. So in this case, profile client, we're going to add that new tag. And the other one will be profile prospect, anyone that has not yet become a client. Now that we have those two tags created, let's go and start building our funnel. We're going to build a start from scratch funnel. And let's assume that the benchmark at the top is a tag applied goal. So let's say they get this tag, they get added to this funnel. And the tag, let's name our funnel. So 10.marketing purchase follow-up. So let's say they make a purchase and we can follow up. So the tag is applied when they purchase something in the store, and you would have to add that tag to the product in WooCommerce. So let's call it home. So this is history 10.marketing purchase follow-up. Oops. Start. Actually, let's just go purchased. Okay, so again, you'd have to take that tag and add it to any products in the store where you wanted this funnel to run. Then what we're going to do is we're going to send an email. We're going to create a new one. And we're going to call this email to clients. I'm not going to edit the email right now just to save time. And then the second email is going to be similar to the first one, yet worded differently for anyone that is a prospect. And we can delete these other steps in the funnel that we don't need. So here's how to use the conditional logic to send each of these emails. And you might want to say, change the name of this. So the first one is the client email, and the second one is the prospect email. Now I realize that they've just bought something, so they may actually be a client. So you might have a different type of tag, or a client might be somebody who hasn't just purchased a product, but is actually a services client. So name your tags appropriately and name the emails appropriately. So let's go to the first one. And then down at the bottom here, it says enable conditional logic. Run if the contact passes any condition. Any condition means that if you add multiple conditions, any one of them, if it passes that, it will run. Otherwise, skip this step. And you can actually jump to a certain spot in the funnel if you need to, if it was a long funnel. But in this case, let's go, if the contact has any of these tags, and let's just search for client. And there's that tag there. Okay. Let's go to the prospect email, enable conditional logic, same process, has any of these tags, prospect. Now, alternatively, you could say anybody that doesn't have a client tag gets the email, and that could be everyone. So you could say tags has none of these, and then just put the client tag in there. Otherwise, skip this step or go to someplace else in the funnel. So that's how to use conditional logic to send specific emails or do other steps, such as an admin notification or apply a tag or remove a tag or date timers, or any of these can have conditional logic. For example, apply a tag here. You can also enable conditional logic to apply a certain tag to people if they pass certain conditions. All right, that's how to use conditional logic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for your time.